Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Manually apply transform and vignette corrections to photos using Lightroom Classic CC. This can be helpful in situations where Lightroom fails to perform appropriate lens distortion corrections automatically. To manually apply these fixes, expand the Lens Corrections panel and then click the word Manual. At the bottom of the Lens Corrections panel are the vignetting tools, which include an Amount slider and a Midpoint slider. The Amount slider controls the level of the vignetting fix. To increase the lightness of the corners of the photo, move the Amount slider to the right into positive values. To darken the corners of the photo, move the Amount slider to the left into the negative values instead. The Midpoint slider determines how much of the photo is lightened or darkened when you adjust the Amount slider. If you move the Midpoint slider to the left, the adjustment is restricted to an area closer to the corners of the photo. If you move the Midpoint slider to the right, a larger area of the photo is affected by the adjustment. To manually apply transform adjustments, expand the Transform panel. Then use the Transform sliders located below the upright options in the panel to make adjustments. The vertical slider is used to make vertical lines in a photo appear parallel. This is useful when correcting perspective distortions caused by tilting a camera up or down. The horizontal slider works in a similar way, except it works to make horizontal lines in a photo parallel. This is useful when you want to correct distortion caused by angling a camera to the left or right. The rotate slider uses the center of the original uncropped photo as the axis of rotation for the image. This is useful when you want to correct for camera tilt. The aspect slider adjusts the aspect ratio of the photo. This can be useful when you want to reduce the stretched appearance that can result from other transform adjustments. The scale slider increases and decreases the image scale of the photo. This is useful when you want to remove empty areas that can result from other transform adjustments. The X offset and Y offset sliders adjust the offset of the photo along horizontal and vertical axes. Remember that you can double-click the name of any slider to reset the slider to its default value. Below the Transform sliders in the Transform panel, you'll also see a Constrain Crop checkbox. When you check this checkbox, Lightroom Classic CC constrains the crop to the image area in the photo. This prevents gray border pixels from being included in the final adjustment result.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.